Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with DAS. Excited to offer you guys a beautiful 2020 McLaren 720S Performance Spider, finished in MSO purple. Car, as you'll see in this video, is absolutely beautiful. It is all 100% original bone stock, original downpipes, exhaust. There's no tune on the car. Very original car. Does have PPF throughout. Once again, not a wrap, MSO factory purple paint. Do want to mention we were doing some clear film work on this body panel right here. So we do have the 7 for the 720 that is to be installed. It's late Friday today and my recon guys have left, so that will be installed first thing Monday. Entire front clip, including the hood, fenders, mirrors, and the entire lower panel, in addition to some real rear engine bonnet, is all PPF'd. Beautiful carbon mirrors. Does have 360 as well. Absolutely gorgeous interior. This full panel here is PPF'd, as you see. No scratches or defects, very, very clean. Rear spoilers PPF'd, both left and right. Engine bonnets are PPF'd as well. Air brake works perfectly. Really, really beautiful color in person. Has a lot of flop to it, especially outside in the sunlight. As shown earlier in the video, convertible top works absolutely flawless. Front lift works flawless as well. Everything in the vehicle, all power components, everything works exactly as it should. Absolutely beautiful car. If you guys are interested in any upgrades, exhaust, downpipes, tune, any carbon fiber pieces, let us know. We'll be more than happy to do so. We also ran our full MDS Mclaren software on the car. There's no soft codes, no hard codes. We also ran our Autel on it as well, but the McLaren MDS is going to be a lot more detailed than the Autel. Comes back flawless, car's ready to go. We put it up on the lift, removed all the bottom panels, literally no leaks on the car. Clean as can be, very, very nice car. Michelin matching tires all the way around. Very, very clean car, drives flawlessly. AC works exactly as it should. Beautiful, beautiful car, all stock. If you guys have any questions, 855-955-3377. You can also email me directly, jd@Davis AutoSports.com. We also have a red 22 Spider coming up for sale. It's a full riff car, front riff, lower lip, side skirts, rear diffuser, riff down pipes, riff exhaust, M engineering tune. That's a 22 with 11,000 miles. That's coming up on the market as well. So, all right guys, here we are in the drivability video. This thing drives absolutely flawless. Air brake works exactly as it should as well. I mean, even in stock form, these things just absolutely rip. In my opinion, there's not a better performing car for the money. I mean, you look at Huracans and all that, I mean, they're slow. Anything remotely close to this price point, for the most part, is much slower, doesn't look as good. But the sheer performance, even in stock form, these things are just so fun to drive. Just instant power. We'll get some sunlight footage once we get to our destination here shortly. But as you see, this thing just